Just over a year ago, we launched the Demon 3.0, a high-performance DIY electric skateboard platform that is available as a kit or complete board. Our mission with the Demon 3.0 was to make the highest performance DIY electric skateboard with modular components and the easiest possible build process. At Propulsion Boards, we strive to teach riders how to build an electric skateboard so that they can have the confidence to maintain their board, make upgrades in the future, and at the end of the build process, have an e-skate with elite level specs. Over the last year, we have received incredible feedback from our riders, and we have continued to make changes to this product to make it even better. In today's video, we will be going over the upgrades and changes to the kit since our original release of the board. The updates to the Demon 3.0 make this kit more customizable than ever before. Both our kits and completes are also now more affordable than ever. Our kits have traditionally started at around $16.99, but we now have 3.0 kit options for as low as $12.99. As a bonus and exclusive thank you for watching this video, we also have an additional $50 off of Demon 3.0 kits for the first 5 people to use the discount code YouTube. Your support over the last few years on this channel has made everything possible, so truly, from the bottom of our hearts, thank you. Now transitioning over to the upgrades on this board, the first update is the swap from the Stormcore Vesk-based ESC to the Maker X DV6S. All Demon 3.0 kits and completes moving forward will ship with this Vesk-based ESC, which has proven to be a reliable, powerful, and excellent choice in the DIY community. To go with the new ESC, we also have an updated heatsink. This 6061 T6 aluminum CNC machined heatsink is very similar to the past version, but features the new mount pattern to accommodate the ESC. The second update is the use of the Mad Wheels V2 Stealth. We feel that these wheels are a substantial upgrade over the previous V1s that we shipped with the first kits. They are slightly larger in diameter than the previous V1s that we used with a true 105mm diameter. This is going to give you a little bit higher of a top speed on the newer Demon 3.0 kits. They also have a larger, wide 70mm contact patch for extra grip, which we absolutely love. The stealth core on the wheels also looks incredible with the aesthetic of the board. The third update is that the boards can also now be purchased with the remote style as an option. Previously, all of our Demon 3.0 kits came stock with the VX2 Pro remote, and while this is our favorite, you can now choose between the VX1 Pro and the VX4, which are also very popular options. This allows for another layer of customizability in your Demon 3.0 kit and your DIY electric skateboard build. Our final change to the Demon 3.0 lineup is that we now have the option for our RKP trucks. Previously, kits and completes shipped with either TKP or DKP trucks. We now have the option for the Demon 3.0 in our Type R configuration with our custom precision CNC machined trucks. This is the most stable configuration of the Demon 3.0 and is great if you want a board with a high top speed. As of this video, the Demon 3.0 has more variations and ways to start building to your taste than ever. To recap, we now have 3 truck options: TKP, DKP, and RKP. We have 2 motor options, 170 kV for more torque and 190 kV for more speed, 3 battery options, 12S4P P42A, 12S4P 40T, and 12S3P 40T. Finally, we have 3 remote options, which are the FlipSky VX1 Pro, FlipSky VX2 Pro, or the FlipSky VX4. If you are looking at getting into DIY, these kits are an incredible option. They are super easy and fun to assemble and take all of the guesswork out of the build. All of the tools necessary to get the board up and running are also included in the kit so that you can build this board, learn how it works, and then know how to work on it for years to come. The boards are also modular, meaning that they are compatible with many parts from other vendors for upgrades in the future and future improvements. To top it off, the Demon 3.0 kits have incredible specs for their price range. They have a top speed between 35 and 38 miles per hour depending on motor kV, a range of up to 30 miles on the P42A version, and unparalleled hill climbing abilities. Furthermore, the boards have an acceleration unmatched by production boards in their range in terms of raw punch and customizability. At the end of the day, you're getting all of the perks of a DIY board in a much more refined package without any of the headaches. Through the rest of the year, the Demon 3.0 kits are available for as low as $1299.99, and with that $50 discount code for the first 5 of you guys, that's $1249.99. We also have complete Demon 3.0s ready to ride right out of the box, starting at $1499.99. That is all I have for this video on the Demon 3.0. If you have any questions or comments regarding this board, please let us know in the comments section below. And if you're interested in learning more about this product, we will have a link to the product pages in the description. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more like it, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more DIY electric skateboard content. Thank you all so much for watching, and we will see you guys in the next video.